how to make a Irani chai or burn this one for continuously until it get totally hot and make your tea normal manner. Put ginger and everything so you feel nice. And pick that pot or whatever that gullet something. Take another empty bowl. Like this. What happened? I'm making Irani chai. What is that called? I kept.
Are you trying to bake it?
No, we are making Irani chai. We have to burn it until it gets hot. Then we have to put in empty container and make tea and then pour it that one. And then
I'm
we have
not
to
drinking
filter.
that. That sounds disgusting.
It's very tasty.
Even though if it's tasty or not, I'm not drinking that.
Explain what we are doing first of all.
First of all, I do not know what we are doing. How about just weird.
Yeah, he is ready now. Hold it like this one.
Okay.
Little bit far.
Oh my
Camera
God.
is ready.
Oh my God,
We'll
it's...
put in the YouTube, that's why. Don't fast. It's
But-
overheat.
Oh my God, it's
Don't zoom so much.
overheat.
Now cameraman is Devashi Joshi. He can record very well in YouTube also. We have plenty of videos in YouTube. Subscribe his channel.
Subscribe to my channel. All this fight will burn your face. Oh, Pepper will kill you if you don't like.
Subscribe his channel.
Thanks.
Give one like button too.
Thanks for clicking the like button. I almost died from this.
Okay, pick this one and put into the vessel. Empty vessel.
What the fuck?
Okay, it's too hot. Be careful. Then pour that, filter that entire chai, whatever you make. And then serve. It will be very tasty. Nice.
Hey.
Golden age where.
Oh God!
Oh my God! It's come inside. It's
Look how much smoke is coming from that.
we boil the entire can until it finished tea.
Mama, shut the fuck.
It's very delicious.
Yeah, that looks like it burned the face. If you put that on your face will die. That's the new lesson of Davis Jazz.
Okay, off the video. Now you can serve it and drink it as per your wish.
But please don't
This is
drink-
over.
Don't
This
drink
is
it.
Devashi
No,
Joshi.
Wait, don't drink it now. No, you will burn.
they will take.
Turn, okay?
It's my
Wait
bowl
for-
turn.
Wait for the
Be careful.